I hope you can revisit the last time's video on carpal tunnel anatomy. Today I'm going to talk about carpal tunnel syndrome. And the important thing I want you to remember is that below the flexor retinaculum there is median nerve that gets entrapped in carpal tunnel syndrome. And you must remember that the palmar cutaneous nerve of the median nerve is above the flexor retinaculum, so it gets spared. So you can look at this picture, or else you can go and revisit the video on carpal tunnel anatomy. And as you can see here, median nerve gives off its branches. It has palmar and the digital cutaneous branch, and the palmar is the one that's in blue and digital is the one that's in green. That is 3.5 of the lateral fingers. You must remember that. And as you can see here, what happens is, this is the flexor retinaculum, median nerve goes through and under it and gives off 3.5 branches. It supplies 3.5 of the lateral fingers. Remember that. And what are the tests we do for examination? So easy for you to remember it easily. Carpal tunnel. So remember, car falling out of tunnel. Falling, phalanx sign, and tunnel, remember the tunnel sign. Car falling out of tunnel. Car falling out of tunnel. Falling is phalanx, tunnel is tunnel. And in tunnel, what do? Is you just tap here, and what happens is it induces pain in the median nerve distribution. And there's another test that you can do, that's phalanx sign, where you try to hyperflex the wrist and there's a pain in the median nerve distribution. So I will show you a diagram. This is tunnel sign, where you just tap here in the wrist, and in phalanx sign, this is how you do it. I hope you remember it. These are the tests that you can do or perform for examination of carpal tunnel syndrome. And going on with management, you just put a splint holding the wrist in extension overnight to relieve symptoms. Splint to relieve the symptoms. If unsuccessful, corticosteroid injection in the carpal tunnel can be trialed, and surgical decompression of the carpal tunnel is the ultimate treatment. Thank you.